Riley from the base leans over and dives. The Waratahs. Good quick hands. The Waratahs looking to close down space. The overlap's there. Hamua far too easily strolls away. The Tars get caught short. Barrett, flat pass to the line. Walker. Yawere. Under advantage, the Hurricanes. Chancing their arm to that far wing. Again, the overlap, and again, so easy for the Hurricanes, catching New South Wales out of position. Did well, presents the ball. Crichton through the hands. Here is Riley. Riley, a great offload. Crichton, good hands. The Waratahs, a metre away. Gordon, Jorgensen. Flanders at the back. Cover defence from Pullman. Great kick and terrific pickup. Changing the angle. Oh, it's opened up beautifully for the Hurricanes. Billy Proctor strolls through. Advantage now for the Hurricanes. Centre of Allianz Stadium, and they chance their arm. It's looking an absolute treat. Proctor doubles up. Silky stuff from the Hurricanes. Max Jorgensen try. And the Hurricanes starting to really dominate. They've got numbers and they've got another overlap. They've got another try. Coughing it up is Zanari. And Lakai. No look pass and it's picked off. Jorgensen, a foot race. Jorgensen will win that. And Jorgensen. 3 or 4 on every occasion. Good hands, great pass, and the Hurricanes continue to cut the Waratahs to ribbons. And Nari. Harvey quickly through the hands, and Pullman lifted the eyes. Sullivan back inside, and the Hurricanes streak away for the half-century. Host the Western Force on Friday, then we're at the Highlanders before hosting the Reds. And they might not be done here in Sydney yet. Again through the hands, Lakai has options. Billy Proctor with no one else to beat, and a hat-trick for Proctor. The extras are added, and the Hurricanes smash the Waratahs in Sydney, 59 points to 19.